Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about a subject called SFM for CMA final students. This is the continuation of smart study videos for the CMA final students. I already did a smart study video for how to get exemption in law and how to get exemption in direct tax by focusing some of the areas in your syllabus. So I will give the link in the description box. You can watch it from there. Today we will discuss about SFM, Strategic Financial Management in Group 3 of CMA Final. This is a very toughest subject, but the areas for study is very limited, is very less, because you have to focus some of the areas. You will easily get exemption. This is a practical subject, so my advice for you for CMA final students who are going to appear in the coming examination is do questions, all questions, each and every questions from your study material. That is not enough for SFM. Please do questions from workbook, RTP and previous year question papers. It's a great task. It's a difficult task to do questions from workbook to questions from RTP, previous year question papers. This is my advice. Please keep in mind, do all the questions from your study material, from your RTP, from your workbook, from previous year question papers. This will give you exemption. Definitely you will get exemption. These are the areas you can see in the screen. These are the areas you should focus. I am not saying each and every questions from RTP workbook and that previous year question papers. No, these areas, questions from these areas you should do, you should focus. What are the areas? First, this is the order of study while you are studying or preparing for SFM. This is the order for your study. Firstly, you have to focus on security analysis and portfolio management. It's a very simple, very simple chapter. You can easily cover this in just one day. If you revising it this chapter, you can easily cover all the questions from these resources in just one day, because you have to know the equations from this chapter. That's only you need. You will you can easily complete the questions from this area. So firstly, focus on portfolio management. In examination, this will come up to 25 or 20 to 25 marks. So this is very important chapter and also simple chapter. Then after this, you have to focus on section A in your study material. That include investment decision, leasing, that simple topics which you already studied in intermediate, and that also come final also. So you have to study that. After that, you have to focus on mutual fund. This is also very easy chapter. The conceptual clarity, if you have such clarity in the concepts of mutual fund, any question in examination, any question you can easily solve. So after that, you have to focus on foreign exchange. It's a bit difficult chapter, but take time, take your own time, study foreign exchange, and after that focus on derivatives. Derivatives is the difficult chapter among the SFM syllabus. But in screen you can see I given the bracket that focus only on interest rate derivative. There are options, swap, call option, put option, that area is there, but you have to focus on interest rate derivative for exam point of view. That's what I only listed out in derivative portion. So this is the order. You have to study in SFM. You will definitely get exemption from if you studied this well. There are other chapters also in SFM. I'm not saying not study that chapters, but I'm saying focus this area, prepare well for this area, you will get exemption. And also prepare theory questions From where will you prepare theory questions? From my personal experience, from my advice, I am teaching this subject also. So prepare theory from latest workbook and also from previous year question paper. These two sources are required for theory preparation, because repeated theory questions will come in the examination. You will see while you checking the previous year question paper, you can see which are the questions repeatedly asked. So some questions the institute is repeatedly asking, so if you prepare that, you will easily get mark in the examination. So prepare theory from the workbook and also from previous year question paper. So this is the smart study for SFM. You will get exemption, easily get exemption. I will give this PDF in my Telegram channel. I will give the link of my Telegram channel in the description box. You can join there. You will find all the smart study videos, all the free resources there. So please join the Telegram channel and also subscribe my channel for more update like this. So all the very best for your exam, and thank you very much.